Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the Weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started. All times are Eastern Time. Okay, our first event of the week, no trade room, is Chinese Caixin Services Monday at 8:45 p.m. We'll keep an eye on that report, but no trade room. Our first trade room is Monday evening at 10 p.m., the Australia rate decision. No trade rooms on Tuesday, Election Day. There are a couple of meaningful reports. ISM Services has been a family money trade. Keep an eye on it. Holidays, you want to just be trading a little bit more carefully. The 10-year bond auction, the bond auctions in general have not been performing all that well. And the API crude oil report, that is a family money trade. It's been performing great. New Zealand jobs report, you could be low volume and liquidity on that event, so that's rated a watch. Wednesday, we'll be back in the trade room at 10 a.m. for crude oil inventories, 12:30 p.m. for the 30-year bond auction, and then 3:30 p.m. for Qualcomm's earnings. Thursday morning, 6:45 a.m. for the British Bank of England official bank rate, unemployment claims at 8 a.m., 10 a.m. for natural gas storage, and then a big event, the FOMC statement on a Thursday, no less, 1:30 p.m. in the trade room. Now, we may do that British Bank of England official bank rate. I'm going to put that in at 6:30. I'm not going to redo this video. I'm editing it now as you're watching in real time. So we'll do the Thursday Bank of England. I don't want to rush that room. We'll start at 6:30 for the Bank of England official bank rate. And then Friday, we're not going to have a trade room for Canada's jobs report. That's not a real good tradable report. But the final event of the week is the U.S. preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment Friday at 9:30. We'll be streaming that on YouTube as well as the FOMC statement on Thursday. And I will say, please keep an eye on your email. We have a lot of things going on. I was just on the A.J. Brown show, so you want to watch that podcast. It was a lot of fun. We have a webinar coming up with A.J. this week, Wednesday at 7 p.m. You'll get some emails about that. But even more importantly, don't forget, every week we have a great offer to join our service. People made a lot of money this week. Every trade can't be a winner, but that doesn't mean you still can't make money trading events, and we're doing very well at 10-Minute Trades. Leigh Goldstein signing out. Don't forget to vote, 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 and I'll see everybody in the trade room next week.